What's up guys, it's Meaty Mike. My name is Mike and I love meat. Fire up your smokers because today we are cooking a parrot fish. Let's do it! So we have ourselves a parrot fish. This is a very beautiful fish. Just look at it. Beautiful blue color. Very tasty too. There are several types of parrotfish all around the world. Very popular in the Indo-Pacific. They're also around Mexico, Florida, Bermuda, Bahamas. Come on, pretty mama. Key Largo, Montego. Ooh, I wanna take you down to Kokomo. We'll get there fast and then we'll take it slow. And that's where we wanna go. Man, the Beach Boys, classic. That's what it reminds me of. Very tropical looking fish. Really excited to put it in the smoker, so let's get to it. So what I'm doing with this parrotfish is topping it with some jerk sauce before it goes in the smoker. Then after it's smoked, we're gonna top it with a mango salsa. Not too long ago, I did a jerk oxtail recipe and I said I don't know how to make a homemade jerk sauce. I don't know how to make a homemade jerk sauce. See, I did say that. So I'm sticking with my Walkerswood traditional jerk sauce, but I got a couple other things we're gonna add on here first. First, top it with a little bit of olive oil, just a little bit, rub it in both sides. Then I got about a half a tablespoon of garlic I'm gonna use. Just rub that on as well. Then I have some ginger paste that we're gonna rub on before we put on our jerk sauce. Whoops. This ginger paste is gonna go really good and balance out the spiciness of the jerk sauce. Then we got our Walkerswood jerk sauce. Just lay it on, rub it in. Get both sides, just get a good coat. Some good flavors to go with this parrotfish. All right, now we got a lemon. Just got 2 slices. And we're gonna get a lime. Do the same thing. Wow, very tropical. Some tropical stuff going on, some jerk sauce, a little bit of ginger paste, some lemons, some limes. And by the way, I did brine this parrotfish overnight with water, brown sugar, and salt. Silly me for getting all of the important details. This already did come prepared. It's already gutted and cleaned inside. You can go in a little bit deeper, stuff it, flay it up if you want to. Let this marinate in the fridge, let these flavors soak up. But from here, I'm happy with this as is. I got the smoker fired up. Let's go pop it right in. Alright y'all, we got the smoker set to 200 degrees and I'm rolling with some Strawberry Guava wood chips for this smoke. With parrotfish, I'm looking for an internal temp of 145. It's going to take you about 3 or 4 hours to get to that point, but pay attention to your internal temp. And that's it, that's all there is to it. So we're going to let the smoker go to work, and in the meantime, we're going to go make our mango salsa. So our parrotfish is out in the smoker, and while that's cooking, we have some ingredients here for some mango salsa. I'll be honest, I was just gonna buy some store-bought mango salsa, but I came across Eat This Grinds and Cocktails YouTube channel and saw this simple recipe to make a mango salsa. So he inspired me to go out, get some ingredients, and make my own. This recipe is loosely based on his. Go check out his channel, he has some other great stuff going. So let's get to our mango salsa. So we'll start with 1 mango, get a couple good slices going. Do your best to go around the pit. I did not do a good job. He actually has a cool hack where you just get a glass. You can just slide the mango right down the skin. Woo! I thought that was a pretty cool idea too. Nice and clean. If you cut it better, you'll have some better success with it, but that's okay, man. Now we can just cut some bits of our mango, put it in a bowl. Cut them however however big you want. Doesn't have to be perfect. Now, I have a red onion. I'm only going to use about 1/4 of it. Cut it, dice it into little pieces. Ugh, onions always make me tear up. I guess this is pretty emotional. But seriously, what the hell? Get your onions in the bowl. If you can make it. Mix it up. Nice. Now we got a red bell pepper. I'm only going to use about half of this as well. Get it in your bowl. Got some great color. Some purples, some reds, some yellows. Still crying from the onions. Now we got 1 jalapeno. Cut it out. You can core it if you want. I like it spicy, so I'm going to keep it. I'm only going to use the middle and dice this up also. Now we're adding some greens. Wow. This is spectacular. Some more greens. I got a little bit of fresh cilantro. Take out all the stems. Chop it up a little bit. Get it in your bowl. Now I got some of our lime from earlier. Squeeze both halves of your lime juice into your salsa. Get yourself a spoon, mix it up. Very simple, y'all. So we're gonna put our mango salsa in the fridge, let it chill out while our parrotfish finishes smoking, and then we'll eat. And with that, our parrotfish is complete. There's some great color on this fish. It smells delicious, and now we're gonna top it with our mango salsa. And that's it, man. You have a beautiful smoked parrotfish with mango salsa. Let's dive right in. Let's go right in the middle here, get some meat out. With any fish, of course, watch out for the bones. You have some beautiful white meat on this parrotfish. Get some of your salsa. That's really good, man. Oh, it's delicious. The meat with parrotfish kind of reminds me of a sweet shellfish flavor. Nice and tender meat, very juicy, very flavorful. The freshness with that mango salsa. That's me knocking it out of the park. If you want to smoke some fish and you want to try something different than trout or salmon or mullet, if you can find a parrotfish, highly recommend it. Go pop it in your smoker, make some homemade salsa, top it with some jerk sauce. Some good eating. So go try some parrotfish in your smoker. You're gonna love it. Stay tuned for the next video.